Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe it if you are new and see a complete tutorial about this broker below this video. Today let's see how this strategy works today. I'm using Bollinger Band plus CCI. Okay, and these are the setting 20 and 2, 20 period and 2 deviation. So whenever you touch this line, it is already on this line, and it is also on this. Let me zoom in. It is also on this oversold zone of the Bollinger Band. So we are about to make an entry call option. Okay, let's wait. Let's wait until this candlestick ends. As you can see, it's missing 10 seconds. And let's make an entry of $5. This is my live account. Remember, below this video, you can find a bonus to open an account with this broker. It's a bonus that allows you to double the amount of deposit. It's really important. I started this way. When I opened an account with this broker, I took a bonus, and I deposited $100. So since then, I started trading with that bonus, and I got a lot of money with it. So you can do the same too, if you want. So guys, as you can see, this trade is winning. It's winning. Remember, we have this is like a range. You can see. Let me open this tool. This tool that I use is called point of fix. This point of fix. Okay, guys, we won this trade. It's really simple. As I told you, we need to have the CCI in the oversold zone, which is here below minus 100, and we also need to have the price touching this line, okay, of the Bollinger Bands. As simple as that works this strategy. You can also combine this strategy with the price action, like for example seeing and taking the trades with this wick, because this wick means that the price is rejecting in this zone. So let's see if we can make another entry in the other part. Let's see the Nasdaq. Nasdaq is good to trade. Okay, let me take this one off because it's offering just 69%. I like to trade in pairs, which offers more than 80 or 80% of profit. Okay, let me see if we have another one. Yeah, this one might be good. And of course, we have a divergence here. Divergence is when this indicator point to the downward and the price is going higher. That is called divergence. So it's a very sign of the change on the upward trend to downtrend. So let's wait a little bit. I'm waiting a pattern. This was a pattern, just right here, it started going down again. So let me wait. I will wait until this candlestick close. I mean the current candlestick close. If it close bearish, I will take an entry, a put option, okay, down option. Just missing 12 seconds, 9 seconds. Yeah, guys, I took the trade. Think it's a good entry because of the divergence, but it's also on the overbought zone. It was also very overbought, as you can see here. It went to 300% from the 0 point, which was this. So I think it's very overbought. It's making a reverse. On the meantime, let's see how the price is working on here. We could have another entry here, but it didn't touch the upper line of the Bollinger Band, so I prefer to wait. However, if the price touch again this line and it doesn't break below, we can make a call option. Okay guys, we won the trade. As you can see, we won this trade. It was a very good entry because of the divergence. Again, I repeat again, because of the divergence. Okay, here we go. Let's wait. It's giving me a very good pattern, a reversal pattern, but I need to wait a little bit more. Yes, it's touching a very good line, which was, no, it didn't touch the 100 line, so I need to wait a little bit more. On the meantime, let me see the other pairs. Okay, this could be a good signal, and also this one. But I need to wait until this candlestick close. If you follow price action, you can see here that the price is making a pullback. You can take advantage of this pullback and take an entry to a call option. I mean, you can take a call option here. Let's wait. Let me see. I want this candlestick to close. Yeah, it could be a good entry. Let me take this one, and also yeah, we could make this entry too, but we are late. Guys, I took 3 trades. Let's see what happened with them. Because some of them are risky. In this case, we could wait a little bit more until a very bearish candlestick was created, but it's okay. Also the same here, but it's okay. If we lose this one, we can trade another one. Yeah, we lost those one. However, we won this. We are winning this one. Yeah, following the price action. Okay, let me take $10. And here, what is happening is the same that happened before on a previous entry that we made. As you can see here, the CCI he's producing a divergence with the price. Okay, so we're going to see what happened after this candlestick close. Let me see if it's happening the same here. If it's happening, no, here is good. As you can see, the CCI is higher and high. Okay, now it's producing me. Let's make the entry right here. Okay, we are winning this one. We're winning this one. We're just missing like 15 seconds of 10 seconds to win this one. But as you can see, okay, we won this one. Yeah, and we recovered the lost one on this. As you can see, it's making a divergence. This is a divergence, guys. While the price action is up, the CCI is down. So is the divergence. That's what we call divergence. Let's see if we won. If we win this one too, because there was that divergence too. As you could see, the price was up while the CCI was down, was coming down. You have reached a new level and get new area. Now we lost this one, but it's okay. We can recover it anyway. Let me check what is happening. Oh yeah, we have the price almost touching this line. Almost touching this line. So it's missing 22 seconds for this bullish candles to close. So we just need to wait a little bit more. Okay, I would take another put option on this pair. Yeah. No. Yeah, I think it's a great deal. Same here, same here. And same here. These are good pattern. This is a bullish candlestick, a very good bullish candlestick, and the CCI is pointing to the upper movement, as you can see, and it is also on the oversold zone. So let's wait. Here we have another very good pattern, which are these two bearish candlestick, and also we have the CCI on the overbought zone. So I think is good. What else? Which one is the other? No, we lost this one. I think we tight. We won one, and also we won this one too. So we won two of them, and the other one was tight. So guys, this is the way you can combine the CCI, Bollinger Bands, and also price action. I hope you like this video, and comment below if you have any question, any doubt. Just let me know, okay? And before you leave, please subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos about this trading strategy or any other trading strategy that I will be uploading to this channel, okay? And also I invite you to join my group in Facebook group. Okay, we have a Facebook group which is very good. I share a lot of free materials there that you can take advantage of them. But besides that, we have a website which is called tradingtoearn.com that you can visit and see some trading strategy like this. So guys, I'll see you later, and it was a pleasure.